So tell me your reaction whenever you heard that you won.
Completely unbelievable. I really didn't think I'd be considered.
Well, tell me about your practice in Grove. What's it like?
It's phenomenal practice. Second generation. We have 4 doctors, 6 hygienists, and then we have a staff of about 24, 25. It's phenomenal. We do pediatrics to orthodontics to advanced restorative, and have our own in-house. A lot of our lab work is done in-house.
What's one of the things that you're most proud of about what you've done with that practice?
Gosh, all great questions. You know, when we first came, we went paperless. Got rid of charts right away, and that was just a huge thing. And then we call it slaying the sacred cow. We work 5 days a week now. It used to be Fridays were sacred, and no one worked Fridays, and we've transitioned into that. So increased our productivity tremendously, and we always like to ask the question, what's best for our patients, and that's kind of what drives it all. So I feel like we service our patients better with that Friday service.
And tell me a little bit about your patient base. I know Grove's the lakeside community and all that, so how do you all reach out to them?
It is. It's a wonderful community. It's small. It is small, but it's amazing. Our patients come from Kansas City, from Dallas, from Florida, and then a lot of our patients are part-timers in Grove, so they'll spend part of their season there, but they build their time in Grove around our practice, and how flattering is that? But we do have a tremendous orthodontic practice. Dr. Miller's takes great care of our orthodontic work, and then the Crawford family, Doctors Crawford Squared, handle our pedo and a lot of our advanced restorative cases, implant dentistry and that type of thing. So it's just tremendous. It's a family. It's not a dental practice. It's a family, patients and staff.
And what's kind of a piece of advice you have for other practice administrators out there? Or do you?
Keep your doctors' heads down. Don't force them to be distracted with management and the day-to-day. It's a stressful job. It's a stressful occupation. Dentistry. It's a challenging field, but our guys, they're tremendous. They stay most current technology. They're presenters. But we embrace it, and it's a lot of work keeping all those systems integrated and working together. From Galileo scans and intraoral cameras and software systems, but that's what we try to do. No downtime's acceptable. We keep all ops running. If it's in the night or in the weekends, we keep them going. And I do want to say we do have a great partnership with Patterson. I mean, their guys are responsive. We have cell phones and 24/7 coverage with those guys. So,